आपने जैसे बोला क्रिकेट का सवाल है. I think domestic cricket is important because I always felt when you're not, if you have time and if you need practice or you're not performing at the international level, you should definitely come and play domestic cricket because that's the best way to, get practice time, get game time, and practice what you need and before you're playing international cricket. So I feel that domestic cricket is very important if you have the time, if you're not injured, and so I think it's important.
Last question. युवराज सर आपसे सवाल है. बीइंग जो क्रिकेटर खेलते हैं उनको साथ तो अपनी जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो साझा करना थोड़ा आसान होता है क्योंकि उस फील्ड के होते हैं, लेकिन जब सीसीएल में अगर बात की जाए तो सभी सेलिब्रिटी हैं और कहीं ना कहीं बहुत अच्छे मुकाम पे होते हैं और शायद मतलब फिटनेस की बात करें तो वो तो उनको पता होता है, लेकिन क्रिकेट की टिप्स किस तरीके से देते हैं और क्या उसमें बिहाइंड द सीन्स होता है सब चीजों को लेकर?
मनोज भाई ने अभी बोला ना बिस्तर में स्ट्रेचिंग, ये है बिहाइंड द सीन्स, ये कैप्चर करना चाहिए सीसीएल को. तो पर मेरे को हंसी पता है इस बात से ज्यादा है क्योंकि आफ्टर 40 सिर्फ आपको ही नहीं हम लोगों को भी बिस्तर में स्ट्रेचिंग बहुत लगती है. तो हम भी सुबह शाम स्ट्रेचिंग कर रहे होते हैं ट्राइंग टू गेट इनटू गेम मोड. तो मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि इट्स द सेम फॉर एवरीवन. वंस यू क्रॉस 40 इट्स हार्ड ऑन योर बॉडी.
Now, when the team does, not reasonably well, in that case, what they played in Down Under, there is a lot of scrutiny about the captain and the coach. They both have come under the scanner. How would you like to defend them? Would you like to say that it's a time for, what's your opinion about that?
Well, I said it previously also, see, you guys look at series by series. If India wins a series, we talk good things about them. India loses a series, we criticize them. I have said it before also. I always look at a graph of a team, what they've done in the last 5 years or 3 years. You talk about Rohit Sharma, obviously Gautam, you have to give him more time. He's just come in the system, right? Rohit Sharma has won T20 World Cup as a captain. Was captain when India played the World Cup final, right? Mumbai Indians won 5 championships. Rohit's been captain 5 times, okay? And the guy has stepped down on the last test match, not playing the test match and given somebody else a chance. How many captains have done that in the past? Please tell me. So you look at how he's not performing. I look at what he's done in the last 3-4 years. So, एक tournament से you cannot gauge performance. Yes, for me, which was more questionable was that losing in India 3-0 to New Zealand. That's tougher. That's a tougher pill to swallow. Losing in Australia 3-1, but also beating Australia back-to-back in Australia last 2 series. So nobody highlighted that. You also need to highlight that. So I look at cricket in a different way because obviously I played the game. So that's my view on it.
Yubi so first
The
of all,
lady who wants to ask a question at the back, can she ask a question, please? Yeah. Ritesh has scored 100 in Australia on his first tour. It's amazing. I'm not sure how many guys have done that. So it's great to see a lot of young talent performing in places like Australia. Jaiswal scored 150 in his first test match in Australia. Highly commendable. So I think we should also talk about these performances.